welcome to Java Technocrafts, your buddy to complete the lab assignments. So in this program, basically, in this video, we will try to analyze multi-threading. Basically, I will try to explain the purpose of multi-threading. I will not provide much details in this video, but I will try to explain the reason why we use multi-threading. So we have to keep in mind that we are using the same amount of resources, either RAM or CPU, whether we go for multi-threading or not, right? So okay, having said that, let's get into the multi-threading. So here I will try to explain you with a problem statement. So assuming that we have a large file having around 10 GB of data in it, and we have around 1 million records. So basically having 1 million records is quite a huge file. So you are writing a program which will read the data in the file. So it will process the each record in the file, maybe doing some enrichment or modifying the data for each record, and then you are trying to insert into the database, right? So this is the problem. So basically if you write a program to perform this task, so having reading 1 million records, we may consume 1 millisecond for each record, and probably for the entire file it may take around 1000 seconds, right? So these are based on assumptions, some assumptions. So this may not be near to the real time scenarios, but assuming that each record may take 1 millisecond, right? This is quite huge time, taking around, if you calculate it, basically it is taking 1.5 hour. So it is quite huge time. So this is not acceptable, right? So how do we solve this problem? So there comes to the rescue the multi-threading. So in let's break the file into 5 equal parts, right? Each part, now after splitting the file into 5 equal parts, basically each file now contains 2 GB, and the number of records would be come down to 200,000, and you write and you create 5 objects to read each file, right? And then you insert into the database. Okay, so basically this can bring down our processing time, but not a drastic improvement. Okay, so the now time may not be proportionate to the number of objects you read. So earlier it was taking 1000 seconds, and now it may not be coming down to 200 seconds. uh, so basically there is improvement in time consumed, but not directly proportional to the number of objects. Probably you can see 50% improvement in in the processing. Earlier we have 1000 seconds, now it may complete in 500 seconds. So that is how the reason why we use multi-threading. But you need to understand the resources in the which is processing is not changed, right? So if you are having 16 GB or 8 GB RAM, the same will remain. And if you are having 2.4 gigahertz processor, the same will remain. But there is improvement in time consumed if you split it and you use 5 objects or n number of objects here, assuming that each object is separate thread, right? So the time is increased, but not proportional to the number of objects or number of threads you are running. So this is the basics of multi-threading, the reason why we use multi-threading. Hope you understand the purpose of it. And in the next video, let's discuss about the dive into the theory of multi-threading, like how multi-threads are created, and how their intercommunication happens between threads, and what is blocking of the threads, and what is synchronizations, and how do we achieve all those using the programs, right? So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.